Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using simple TikToks, right guys? Now I got this idea when I seen a couple of certain very simply laid out TikToks getting a lot of views, and I thought to myself, I wonder if I can get sales doing that as well with the $25 online business. So that's the test today. That's the test that we're trying out. We'll try for we'll give it like a month or two, see what's going on, see how it goes. Maybe we'll continue on. If it start doing well, we'll keep it going. I don't know what to do yet, you know what I mean? But before we do all of that, all the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so first off, let's look at when we should post first. Okay, today is Saturday for me, so I need to post at 11 a.m., 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Okay, so we're gonna make the video for 11 a.m. for right now. So over here, that's the old video I made there. Now we're gonna find a new quote here. We're gonna figure out what we want to pick. My only competitor is the person I was yesterday. Let's go with that. I like that. My only. My only opponent. Person I would. Okay. Good. Alright, so my only opponent, I'm gonna find a video next. Next we look for a video here. Gonna find our message we're gonna use. We're gonna go to pixels. We're gonna put in luxury. Type luxury in. We're gonna look at videos here. We're gonna make sure they're vertical. Then we're gonna pick one of these. Whichever one looks really good. That's pretty good. Let's look down a little bit. I'll find a video I like, and then I'm gonna just post it. Go with nice. Oh, like this. Go with this one, I think. Yeah, we're gonna go with this. Alright guys, we got the video here. Go back. Pull this video, put it right there. Load up. Okay. So we're gonna send this to the background here. Place background. That. Now we're gonna change the color of some of these words. Go with blue. Let's got blue. Got blue there. That was the saying, right? My only Oh, I spelled. I put opponent, competitor, like COMPETITOR. I'm sorry about that. All right, so we're gonna type in competitor. Spell it right. CEIT. I just want to make sure I spelled it right. CEITOR. Alright, I spelled it right. Only competitor is the person I was yesterday. I like that. Type yes if you agree. Very solid. Very good. Okay. So if you notice, the video had sound. We're gonna lower that sound. We're gonna put a song behind it. Now let's play it now. Hold up. This is the song I had before. Delete this. Now we play it, it shouldn't make no sound. Alright. That looks pretty good. Okay. Now we just need a song. Go to songs here. We're gonna go with we're gonna go to Chosic here. We're gonna pick go cinematic. Epic. Let go. That's a little. Let me turn it down. No, we'll just go with this one. We'll go with that one. All right, we'll just go with it. Put it in the system here. Boom, boom. Oh, my bad. Yeah. I'm gonna pick, what was it? An epic story? So we're gonna pick right there. Okay. And down we need to change the volume. About, go with, it's kind of loud, so we're gonna go with about 8. See how that sounds. Okay, yeah, that works. Alright, so we got our TikTok. See how easy that was to do, guys? Very simple. So all we gotta do is go to TikTok. Oh, let's check and see. Let's check and see. We got 446 views. We got 1 follower and 8 likes, guys. That's kind of weak, but like I stated, we making very simple TikToks here. And we posting at 11 a.m. Only competitors. Upload that. That. Day 11 o'clock. Only competitor. Wait a second. Ah, I got the wrong video. Hold up. Change video. Sorry about that. There we go. Hit top. Alright, we're gonna do another. We're gonna go back down. I want to kind of just copy paste my TikTok I made before when it comes to words and stuff. Let me go that real quick. Never give up on yourself. Right. Did I hit copy? I messed up. Oh man. You open? I made a mistake. I'm sorry, guys. I'm making it look much more complicated than it is. It's just because I keep clicking on the wrong things. Repeat with your fat. Oh. Repeat your pass. Alright, that's a good message, I think. I think that's pretty much solid right there. Should And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple to do. I made it look more complicated than it is. Yeah, and that's it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure they hit that notification bell. All the links in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.